So first thing I want to do is going to tell you to kill 10 average demons. I'm about to show y'all a method to kill them easily, even if you're a lower level. This will make it quicker for you. So when you're trying to get your first breath. Right now there's only one breath in the game for each one, so you're gonna have to wait. But basically, when you're attacking the enemy, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna go around them like this, because then they can't hit you. So go around them like this, and you'll get your average demons quickly. And they're in this spot. It's near Hanada. So yeah, that's a quick and easy way to kill them. Didn't even take any damage. Do the same thing for the strong demons, and then all you have to do is take out 3 rocks. So yes, all you have to do is take out 3 rocks. So I'm gonna show y'all what to do again. Just go over here. It's the average demon slayer. He's level 40, whatever he is. And look, you see how I'm going around him, almost like I'm strafing him. But yeah, you just want to go around him. And he hit me that time, but you know what I'm saying. Just want to go around him, kill him. He's on the ground. It's that simple. Be paying attention to your skills level. Don't just auto click, because it won't work for you. It won't work too well for you unless you're auto clicking like hitting something, but yeah, it won't work for you. So as y'all can see, I'm doing this basic, just hitting him, trying to go around him so that he can't hit me. I got my 10 average demons and 10 strong demons in one night. I like my first breathing. But yeah, make sure I go check out Pure Uzi channel. He made a video on how to get Mizunoe. You know what he's talking about over there. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. Kill this guy. See how he, like, we're lightning, thunder, whatever it's called, tutorial coming out soon. What the? It's glitching in the house. But yeah, I'll catch y'all boys later.